Welcome back to my channel. The 2026 Honda CR-V takes everything people have loved about this SUV and pushes it further, almost as if it's built for the future, like a model from 2035. From the moment you see it, you realize Honda isn't just keeping up, it's leading. The new CR-V's design feels bold and futuristic, with sharper lines, a wider stance, and an aerodynamic body that improves both performance and efficiency. The LED headlights are slimmer and merge into a black grille that gives it a premium, almost luxury look. The rear features redesigned tail lamps that stretch wider across the tailgate, and the smooth roofline adds to its modern, powerful presence. Inside, the futuristic feel continues. The cabin uses soft-touch leather, aluminum trims, and ambient lighting that adjusts with your mood. The 12.3-inch digital driver display and 13-inch infotainment touchscreen dominate the dashboard, both supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's a built-in AI assistant that responds to natural voice commands for navigation, music, and temperature. Wireless charging pads, multiple USB-C ports, and a panoramic glass roof make the interior both smart and comfortable. Under the hood, the 2026 CR-V comes with two options: a turbocharged 2.0-liter hybrid and a fully electric version. The hybrid delivers strong power and excellent fuel economy, while the electric model offers a range competitive with top EVs. Acceleration is smooth and responsive, especially with instant torque from the electric motor. The all-wheel drive system adjusts automatically to different terrains, ensuring stability on any road. The suspension is tuned for a quiet, balanced ride, keeping cabin noise minimal even at high speeds. Safety is also advanced with the upgraded Honda Sensing 360 suite. It includes adaptive cruise control, lane centering assist, collision mitigation braking, and blind spot steering correction. The 360-degree camera system helps detect obstacles. The intelligent parking assistant can handle parking on its own with impressive accuracy. The 2026 CR-V also feels smarter. Over-the-air updates keep the system current, while predictive AI learns your driving habits to suggest routes, adjust climate control, and recommend rest stops. It's a vehicle that adapts to you. Practicality remains one of its strongest points. The rear seats fold flat to create large cargo space, and the hands-free tailgate opens with a foot gesture. The low loading height makes packing easy for families or travelers. On the road, the CR-V feels solid, responsive, and refined. Steering is precise, the cabin stays quiet, and the hybrid system balances power and efficiency perfectly. Whether driving in the city or on long highways, it delivers comfort and confidence. The 2026 Honda CR-V combines modern design, smart technology, and trusted reliability. It's efficient, elegant, and built for drivers who want the best of innovation and comfort. The CR-V doesn't just meet expectations, it defines the future of SUVs.